Hey, you have parcel from Unacademy.
Oh, seriously? Give me?
Take it. I have already sanitized it.
Oh, nice. Well, I have really no clue. Let me just open it right now. Okay. I'm so excited. And this is, let me guess. No, I cannot guess actually. Is what? Kookaburra made in Australia? Amazing. Nice packing, nice packing. I love it. Hockey balls supply. Seems like actually I have no clue. It's written what? Yeah. Oh my god. This is a cricket ball. And it is signed by none other than Rohit Sharma from MI versus DC match. Wow, I so love it. This is the original ball from the match, and it is actually signed. I'm so excited. Thank you so much, Unacademy. Let's crack it.